Boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Dino, too. Today we're going to cover books again, but this is for Wasteland Prepping. Okay. Now, the scene is rucksack. It's very cute. But you're out there for 3 days. Okay, that's estimated time. Please get this book. Okay? This guy hiked up and down on 2 continents with just this. Your biggest headache when you're bugging out is you're only allowed roughly about 60 pounds. A lot of people push that weight, but also they cut the distance between rest and then continuation until they reach the bug out location. Now, I'm going to show this book again. Now, a lot of us who hiked, Uncle Alan can't do it anymore because Uncle Alan's hips all screwed up. So walking really fast hurts Uncle Alan. It's like getting stabbed in the back. And I've been stabbed in the back. Okay. Now you've seen the book. You got your pack. Go through your pack. Anything that are duplicate 3 or 4 times, get rid of it. You should only have it once because you're bugging out. You have to be light as possible. Every pound hurts. And with Uncle Alan's injuries, if I strap on my backpack, I'm going to be screaming my head off. That's why I have a little gardening cart or a survival bike with Pantene. Put the stuff in the Pantene and ride. Let's see you run 15 miles an hour. I could do that on a bike fairly easy over rough terrain. It's a little hard if you're trying to do that with a backpack and you're running. Okay? Colin's tired. For Wasteland Prepper, if you get more people to view my old videos. Now, I shown this in a couple of my old videos. And a lot of people know what this is. Yes, it's a soap dish. But I use it as a survival kit because Uncle Alan doesn't like to use one of these as a survival kit. Okay, it's okay if you watch Harshman Hills. The basic fives will fit in here. But Uncle Alan doesn't really like one of these little ones. Okay, now you see Uncle Alan's kit and you see the little survival kit. Okay, no. Uncle Alan's kit. All right, should fit in a shirt pocket, cargo pocket, pants pocket. That's why I use plastic soap dishes without the holes. Really easy to use. You could put Gorilla Tape or duct tape around it. Uncle Alan uses his all the time. That's why the rubber band. And go over the book. You need 4 things to cut. 4 items: fire, cutting, cordage, and I forgot the other 2. Hey, I'm old, okay? And put that back. Now, also I recommend for Wasteland Prepping, getting this book by Williams, Bugging Out. Now this is for California. There is a European edition. They'll tell you areas and dangers and stuff. And you got to figure out, bugging out doesn't mean you're running away from things. What it means is you're leaving one place to go to another place. So you better make plans that everything's okay at the other end because you don't want to run from one disaster point to another disaster point. Okay? So make up your minds, figure it out. We'll go over this step by step. Second thing is the bug out bag weighs a lot. It's from 60 pounds up, depending how much carry weight you can do. I normally tell people 60 to about 70 pounds is the best. You don't want to go over that because In 3 days' time, you have to cover roughly 60 miles. That's a healthy adult male. Okay? A lot of people says, oh, we can't do that. A normal person could do 20 miles a day. Uncle Alan did a lot in the military with heavier backpacks than the one shown in that one. Okay? Now you have to be careful that you don't overload yourself. And the second reason is know your destination, how to get there, and have alternative routes. And if that one's compromised, you want another destination. Okay? You have to understand your limited ammo, limited gear, limited weaponry. You can't be like Mad Max duking it out with everybody, and you can't be the White Knight in Alice in Wonderland loaded up with every knick-knack and gadget. Now, Hubble's Cat has several good videos on uh, bug out bags and why they're crazy. I do agree with him because I have the experience. Okay, I roughly have 10 years out in the woods. I didn't like it, so I came back. It's really comfortable in suburbia, and I can kick back. Okay, another thing is you want to be prepared. Now, tired. This is what happens when Uncle Alan gets old. You want a simple lockback, about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches long, with probably a thumb stud or for assist mechanism. Now I'm old school. I like thumb stud. And this is a simple lock back. Nothing fancy, no switches, no devices, no the girls at Artsy does all the time. We are Artsy. You have to check out that channel. Okay, quick shout outs. Prep for it. Bethany Myers, Liberty Garden. Hope everything's okay with you. Harshman Hills, Cindy John, LS, Corsair Trainers. Now, Wasteland Prepping, please check out Corsair Trainers. They're more USA based, but he covers all the basic for new preppers. And Uncle Alan's tired. Okay, because I keep going over this. I only got 1,000 videos I got to do, and I got to quit because, all right, this is my staging point. Okay, Uncle Alan's staging point is Visalia. Now, I won't tell you my final destination because you guys think, hey, we don't know what we're going to do, so we better follow Uncle Al. Uncle Al's going to leave traps and he's going to shoot you if you get close to him. I'm not kidding, kids. Stay away. Now, a lot of you can't do the lone wolf like everybody's bitching on their other channels. Sorry about the curse word. Uncle Al gets a little blue, and Will Russell of Just in Time Prepping tonight at 8 o'clock, 8 Central, 8 Mountain Time. I always say Central, 8 Mountain Time. So please check them out. It's really good, and we're having a drawing. Okay? Uncle Alan's tired. Uncle Alan doesn't like people. Uncle Alan used to work with groups and used to manage them. All he find out is there's a lot of stupid people out there. Okay? And I don't want to shoot any more people. I am tired. I'm retired. Okay? I just got my hair back full. And it's not white anymore. Uncle Alan's tired. I have 6 doctors arguing what's going on with me. I'm arguing back. So I'm not in a good mood. Okay? Rob Painless, small town Southern housewife. DUI Solar. Reverend Christine, 3D Tripper. Westwind Survival. Check out his Little Project of this week. Killdeer Survival. Savage Survival. Native Tears. And Old School with a Modern Twist. I haven't been catching up. I'm just tired. Sorry, kids. I'll catch you later. Bye, kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Like and subscribe down below. And if you can, check out my old videos. And if you want to help out with a little donation so I get a better camera and don't have to redo videos like this one, maybe. Nope.